day, everyone. Learn how to download and export your information, your data of Instagram. So open your Instagram and click on the profile icon. And then in the top right corner where you have the three lines, click on that. Once it is open, the very first option will be Account Center, and we'll click on that. Now here you have your information and permission. So to download your Instagram data, we need to click on that. And then we have this export your information. The moment we click on that, it will ask you to create export, and then you need to select your profile. And once you select your profile, it will ask you to select whether you want to export it in your device or any other external service. And then you can select the date range, the format like HTML or others, and then you will be able to download your Instagram data. So it is really very easy to do it. You can do it yourself. And if you have any query, any question, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.